Now today we will start the electric field at a point due to the uniformly charged distributed infinite plane sheet by Gauss theorem. Gauss theorem. तो Gauss theorem को अप्लाई करते हुए we will derive the derivation. First of all, let positive charge is distributed on infinite long charged sheet. Here we will take a sheet. So positive charge, how will that it will be distributed? Suppose this is the plate sheet, and the positively charged which has distributed on the sheet suppose area of the sheet is capital A. Now when we will derive the derivation, there have some steps I have already told in previous video. In first step we will design a Gaussian surface. तो इन सीट में हम Gaussian surface हम कैसे डिज़ाइन करेंगे? We will consider just like that a cylinder shape Gaussian surface, and behind them also a Gaussian surface. Suppose electric field due to the positive charge here, whole sheet which is positively charged. Due to the positive charge, we will take a point on this region. We will take right side, this region will take left side. For right side we will take a point. उस पॉइंट पे फील्ड देखेंगे तो फील्ड हमेशा पॉजिटिव चार्ज से अवे होती है, अवे फ्रॉम द पॉजिटिव. And we will consider the surface area vector. Surface area vector is also perpendicular. This is also ds. In this case, तो both case में electric field और parallel to the ds. So theta क्या होगा इस केस में? 0. Similarly, in left side, this is the electric field and this is the ds form area vector. So both this case theta will be 0 degree. Hence by Gauss theorem, total flux phi is equal to flux of left side E dot ds plus flux of right side. तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट ओपन करते हैं तो दिस भी ई डी एस कॉस थीटा आएगा. थीटा बोथ ऑफ देम विल बी 0 डिग्री. देन इंटीग्रेशन ई डी एस cos 0 e ds cos 0 and cos 0 is 1. Then we will get eds integration eds, both are same, then we can say 2 times of eds. The net flux is 2 eds. This is the equation first, and this is the Gauss का left portion है, because by the Gauss theorem you have find E dot ds is equal to q enclosed upon epsilon naught. So this left region we have find net flux, and now we will consider the right form. This is the q enclosed. इंक्लोज मतलब कितना टोटल चार्ज इस होल सरफेस पर, इस सरफेस के रेस्पेक्ट में आ रहा है. तो दिस इज चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑन अ सरफेस, तो सरफेस पे चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट है, इसका मतलब कंसीडर सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी। और सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी क्या होती है, डेट इज सिग्मा इक्वल टू क्यू अपॉन ए। तो यहाँ पर नेट चार्ज सरफेस पे कितना होगा, तो क्यू होगा सिग्मा इंटू ए, डेट इज द नेट चार्ज विच हैज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑन द सीट, डेट इज नेट क्यू इनक्लोज्ड, the total charge on the seat we will consider. Now, and for right form, flux will be Q enclosed upon epsilon naught. There will be Q enclosed flux phi equal to Q enclosed is sigma A upon epsilon naught. This is the equation second, and this equation is first, and another equation this is second. Then we can say from equation first and second we get to whole integration E ds equal to sigma A upon epsilon naught. E is scalar, it will come out, इंटीग्रेट बाहर आ जाएगा, then become 2 E ds is equal to sigma A upon epsilon naught. और ds is that net integrate surface area. Net integrate surface area is this one, net integration area. तो net is अगर ds का small fraction है, this is the portion ds. If we will integrate, then we will get completely surface area. Then for the in place of this one, we will put the value of 2EA is equal to sigma A upon epsilon naught. A से A cancel, then find electric field E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Hence we can say that due to the plane sheet, the electric field will be sigma upon 2 epsilon. And to the graph, अगर पूछे ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन, ग्राफ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, this is the electric field, when this R are the position from the seat, R is the position from the seat, यहाँ से seat की position, this is the R, but R is constant, then we can say the electric field will be constant. Every point पर, किसी भी पॉइंट पर हम चेक करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आपकी फिक्स रहेगी. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द ग्राफ. पे ग्राफ पूछ लिया जाता है तो वी विल डिजाइन द ग्राफ ऑफ ई वर्सेस आर, and this will be E sigma upon 2 epsilon. In previous video we have already proved the formula for long infinite long charge. Electric field is equal to lambda upon 2 pi epsilon into R. Suppose they will ask the graph of the electric field also for infinite long sheet के लिए, जिसने वीडियो नहीं देखा है वो प्रीवियस लेक्चर है, उसको देख लो. On that way we will draw the graph also. We can easily draw the graph क्योंकि ये सारा पार्ट कांस्टेंट है. बचा क्या रेडियस, तो अभी इसका मतलब कह सकते हैं ई इनवर्सली ओवर 1/r. तो इनवर्सली का ग्राफ हमेशा कैसा आता है, एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में आता है, दिस वन. तो दिस इज ग्राफ फॉर इनफाइनाइट लॉन्ग लाइन लीनियर लाइन चार्ज के लिए, दिस ग्राफ फॉर सीट.